Hello, good evening to all of you. It's lovely to speak to all of you. Okay, today I will teach you narration. Yesterday I taught you the rules of simple present and its indirect narration. Yes. Now look here. This is your sentence of simple present. It will be changed into simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, so you should be careful. Okay, and today we will read present continuous. How do we change the sentences of present continuous into indirect narration? Okay, so as I told you earlier, you should know the basic rules of tense. It will help you to understand the whole narration. So yes, and now I will start the lesson. Okay, so you should know if the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present continuous, during indirect narration it will be changed into past continuous. Okay, just first of all I'm just going to tell you the lines of present continuous. Positive statement, I am teaching you. Okay, now look here, and sentence of past continuous, I was teaching you. This is positive statement. After then negative sentence, you are not playing cricket. Past continuous, you were not playing cricket. First phase interrogative sentence, am I teaching you? Sentences of past continuous. Interrogative sentence, was I teaching you? Now interrogative negative, where are you going to school? Present continuous and the past continuous of interrogative sentence, where you going to school? Interrogative negative, was I not am I not teaching you? Past continuous, was I not teaching you? Second phase interrogative, what are you doing? Past continuous, what were you doing? In this way I will teach you the whole rules of present continuous and its indirect narration. So as I told you earlier, you should know the sentences of present tense will be changed into past continuous corresponding. It simply means if the sentence is your in simple present, it will change into simple past. Sentence is present continuous, it will change into past continuous. Sentence of present perfect, it will change into past perfect. Sentence of present perfect continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, so you should keep in mind the case. It should be in your mind: nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. Okay, it will be, and because it is used everywhere whenever you are going to apply the rules of sun rule. Yesterday I taught you sun rules. It is easy, but it is if you understand it is easy, but if you don't understand, it will create problem, because everywhere in narration you have to apply the rules of sun. Now look here, when we change the sentences of present continuous into indirect narration of positive statement, for inverted comma we will use that subject plus was where before or rest part of the sentence. Look here, the sentence, it is here. She said to John, I am buying your land. Okay, she said to will be changed into told. Okay, she said to John that. First person according to subject. What is subject here? She is subject. I is in nominative case, so we will use here she. she was buying your land. Your, it is in your, you, it has been made from you. You is in second person, it will be changed according to object. And what is object here? John is object here. Your is in possessive case. Then what will be the possessive case of he for John? So it will be his land. Okay. And I am telling you, John is in third person singular number, masculine gender in the form of he, and your is in possessive case. Then what will be the possessive case of he? It will be his land. Look here, chart is available there. Try to understand it, and just you should practice on it. It will help you to change the sentences of direct narration into indirect narration, not negative sentence. Okay, it is easy. Okay, again, now here I have written the rules of indirect narration. When we change the positive sentences into indirect narration, we will use the rules of past continuous. Okay, now look here, negative sentence. For inverted comma, we will use that subject plus was, were, not, and then rest part of the sentence. Okay, now look here, the sentence is, the doctor said to the patient, you are not taking my medicine. Look here, the sentence is your negative sentence of present continuous. Okay, the patient told the doctor told the patient, you is, it is in your second person, it will change according to object. Patient is here, patient is in third person singular number, masculine gender in the form of he. You is in nominative case, then we should use here he. He was not taking my. It is made of I is in first person according to subject. What is subject here? Doctor is subject here. Doctor is in third person singular number, masculine gender in the form of he, and my is in possessive case. Then what will be the possessive case of he? It will be his medicine. The doctor said to the patient that he was not taking his medicine. Okay, now I am just going to teach you the rules of first phase interrogative sentence of present continuous. How will you change it into indirect narration? Okay, so look here, we will change reporting verb. Okay, we will use asked for said to, because reported speech is in the form of question, so we will change reporting verb into asked. Okay, look here the rules. Okay, interrogative sentence. For inverted comma, we will use if or whether. Okay, look here, we will use if or whether for inverted comma. After then the structure of the sentence will be assertive. See, simply means after subject, was, were, before, or rest part of the sentence. Okay, look here, it is very easy. But the structure of the sentence will be in assertive form. Okay, and reporting verb will be changed into asked. Okay, now look here the sentence. Okay, here it is. The shopkeeper said to the customers, okay, are you buying my goods? Okay, are you buying my goods? These are the sentences of interrogative present continuous first phase. The shopkeeper asked the customers, it is in plural form. Okay, customers. Okay, so look here, the shopkeeper asked the customers if you, it is in your second person according to object here. Customers is in third person plural number in the form of they. You is in nominative case, so we will use here if they, listen carefully, if they they were buying my. Okay, it is my is here. My is made of I. Okay, I is in your first person singular number. First person according to subject. What is subject? Shopkeeper. It is in third person singular number masculine gender in the form of he. My is in your possessive case. Then what will be the possessive case of he? It will be his. Okay. Buying his goods. Okay. Okay. No. Look here. No. Now interrogative negative. In interrogative sentence we will use only not. Okay. Now look here, the rules are like this. For inverted comma we will use if or whether plus subject plus was where plus not plus v for this part of the sentence. Now look at the sentence. Direct. Indirect negative. She said to me, am I not teaching you? She said to me, am I not teaching you? This is the sentence of present continuous first phase interrogative negative. Interrogative sentence. In the indirect narration, she asked me if after input subject, don't use helping verb. I is in first person according to subject. Subject is she. I is in nominative case and she is also in nominative case. So it will be she was not teaching you. You will be you. It is made of. It is you. You is in second person. It will change according to object. Me is here. Me is in your objective case and you is also in objective case. So I do not. If she was not teaching me, why will we, as I told you, we get you in nominative case also and objective case also. But here it has been used in the place of object, so we should use me in place of you. Yesterday I told you everything. I am just going to repeat it. So if it was are you not teaching me, then we will use according to nominative case. Here we get am I not teaching you. It is in the place of object, so we will use objective case. Okay, so it is here up to here. I think everything is clear to you. Now we are moving ahead. Look at second phase interrogative sentence. You should know I am teaching you everything in a similar way. Now second phase interrogative sentence. WH. It will start with WH. What are you doing? In present continuous, past continuous. What were you doing? Okay, for WH for inverted comma we will use nothing. We will use WH plus subject, then was where, before, and this part of the sentence. Okay. Okay. Direct. The milkman said to me, what are you drinking? Okay, indirect narration. The milkman asked me what after in subject you is in your nominative case, and second person according to object is me, you is in nominative case, then what will be the nominative case of me? It will be I. Okay, so what I was drinking. Look here, you drink. Okay, so here up to here everything is clear to you. So all of you just go through it, get it, everything will be clear to you. You should practice on it. And I have taught you, as you know, I have taught you tense, after then voice and tense are interlinked. After that I taught you narration. Tense and narration both are correlated, interlinked. This is my own way of teaching. Okay, it helps the students to understand the rules of tense, voice and narration, and all these three topics are very important for all of you, for examination point of view or in your day-to-day life. Just don't have any confusion. Tense is the backbone of English grammar. Thank you to all of you. Thanks.